Today, let's understand. Global debt and economic risk in 2025 is the next financial shock coming. The numbers you need to know before the warning bells ring. As of end 2024, global public debt, including sovereign and corporate bonds, exceeded 100 trillion US dollars. Global public debt to GDP ratio is back up, hovering around 93 to 95% of global GDP after a brief post-COVID dip. Issuance of sovereign and corporate bonds surged in 2024, with global bond borrowing reaching levels nearly 3 times pre-2007 levels. Meanwhile, global economic growth appears subdued. Weak demand, trade tensions, and macroeconomic headwinds mean growth forecasts for many economies are under pressure. Bottom line, the world is carrying historically high debt, public and private, at a time when growth momentum is weak. That's a fragile cocktail. Why the debt time bomb might be ticking louder. Many countries borrowed heavily during the COVID-19 pandemic to fund stimulus and rescue efforts. That borrowing hasn't been unwound, and repayments are now more expensive. As interest rates globally have risen, refinancing old debt has become costlier, leading to significantly higher debt service burdens for governments and corporations. Geopolitical tensions, trade conflicts, and shifting global supply chains are introducing uncertainty, reducing growth and making debt repayments riskier. According to the IMF, financial market vulnerabilities are widening. Stressed sovereign bond markets, stretched valuations, and increased participation by non-bank financial players. Takeaway: higher debt service costs, weaker growth, and global uncertainty combine into a brewing macroeconomic storm. It's not just about big numbers. This affects your wallet, job, prices, and more. Governments burdened with high debt may cut back on social spending, subsidies, or infrastructure, directly affecting living standards and public services. For businesses, slowing growth, risk-off investor sentiment, and tighter credit mean corporate borrowing costs rise, and investments get delayed or cancelled. For emerging economies like India, vulnerability is amplified. They rely on foreign capital flows, trade, and stable global demand. External shocks, currency fluctuations, or rising global rates can trigger capital outflows, currency devaluation, and fiscal stress. In India, a global slowdown or sharp financial shocks can destabilize exchange rates, reduce exports, and hit remittances, affecting jobs, inflation, and growth. Implication: global debt risk isn't a distant Wall Street problem. It can trickle down to everyday people, firms, and entire nations. Where cracks might show first. Countries like Japan, with a debt to GDP ratio above 220%, stand among the most exposed. Emerging and developing economies, particularly in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, have seen their debt rise fastest since 2010. Many of these countries borrow in foreign currency, making them vulnerable to currency swings and global rate shocks. Sectors vulnerable to economic swings, such as commodity-driven industries or corporates with heavy debt loads, are also at risk if global demand slows. Economies with limited fiscal space and weak financial frameworks are at risk of sovereign stress or defaults if any large shock hits. In short, high-debt advanced economies, heavily leveraged emerging markets, and debt-dependent sectors are all on the watch list. The early warning signs moving forward. Nearly 42% of global sovereign and corporate debt is projected to mature by 2027. How countries and companies refinance will be critical. If global central banks maintain high rates to combat inflation, refinancing costs will stay elevated, pressuring fiscal balances and corporate cash flow. New trade tensions, supply chain disruptions, or geopolitical conflicts can hurt growth, exports, and capital flows, destabilizing economies. Emerging economies with foreign currency debt are especially vulnerable if their local currencies weaken, ramping up debt servicing costs dramatically. If markets get jittery, bond yields spike, and investors flee risky asset classes, even stable economies may face sudden stress due to interconnectedness. What can you do? Stay informed about macroeconomic trends, debt data, interest rate cycles, and currency movements. Debt has ripple effects everywhere. Diversify risks, especially for investors. Heavy exposure to equities or bonds in high-debt economies may be risky. Understand local vulnerabilities if living in or investing in emerging economies. Be wary of external debt exposure, currency risk, and fiscal fragility. Monitor policy and government action, fiscal discipline, credible reforms, and transparent borrowing. Prudent governance can cushion impacts. Adapt expectations, slower growth, stagflation risk, volatility, and economic uncertainty could be part of the new normal. The world in 2025 is walking a tightrope. Historic debt levels, expensive borrowing, and fragile growth. The risk of a major financial shock triggered by an economic slowdown, interest rate shock, currency stress, or geopolitical conflict is real. But this is also a moment for vigilance, smart decision-making, and informed action. Understanding the dynamics helps individuals, businesses, and nations prepare. If you want more deep dives into complex world issues, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.